In today's video, we will try to understand what are the 15 reasons why your prompts are failing. And we will go through all these 15 reasons and then we will try to understand how to fix them in just 5 minutes with my simple 3-step formula. And we will first go through the reasons and then we will go step by step. So, hi everyone, this is Bazil Hulmani and I welcome you to my channel AI with Bazil. So, let's start the video. So we are talking about the 15 reasons over here. So let me take you through the same one by one. So let me start. So the first reason why your prompts are failing. So the first reason is lack of clarity and specificity. So lack of clarity and specificity, and why it is a problem. Like writing vague or ambiguous prompts often leads to irrelevant or incomplete responses. So that is the problem. And now why this is a problem? AI models rely on explicit instructions to generate accurate outputs. So that is the first problem. So we are going through the problems here. So let us first understand the problems. So the second problem is overloading prompts with too much information. So now what is this problem? Providing overly complex or lengthy instructions can confuse the AI and result in suboptimal responses. Now, why this problem is there? AI may struggle to prioritize or process all the information effectively. So, this is the second problem. The third problem over here is difficulty in structuring prompts. Now, what problem this exactly is? Users struggle to sequence their instructions logically or hierarchically. Logically or hierarchically. Okay, logically. Let's keep it simple. So now why this is a problem? Poorly structured prompts can lead to misinterpretation by the AI. So now the English is quite the words are quite heavy. So I'm trying to keep it simple. So let's proceed to the fourth reason. So we have covered three reasons. Now this fourth reason: insufficient understanding of AI capabilities. Now what exactly is this problem? Asking the AI for tasks it cannot perform, or expecting human-like reasoning. Now why this is a problem? Misalignment between user expectations and AI capabilities. So this is the fourth problem. Now let us proceed to the fifth problem, which is inability to use context effectively. Now what exactly is this problem? So failing to provide necessary context or background information results in generic outputs. So this is the problem. And now why this is a problem? AI needs context to tailor responses appropriately. So far we have covered five problems. So let us revise once. So the first problem we covered is lack of clarity and specificity. Second is overloading prompts with too much information. Third is difficulty in structuring prompts. Fourth is insufficient understanding of capabilities. Fifth is inability to use context effectively. So now we will cover the next five problems. So the sixth problem is over reliance on one prompt. Now what exactly is this problem? Users often expect a single prompt to yield perfect results instead of iterating and refining. So this is the problem. Now why this problem is there? Prompt engineering is an iterative process requiring trial and error. So you have to do some kind of trial and error and then you can expect the results. So the seventh one is not leveraging AI features. This is the problem. Now what exactly is the problem? Ignoring advanced features like chaining prompts, using system messages or multi-turn conversations. Now why this problem is there? These techniques enhance control over the AI's output. So now like everything is like a self-explanatory over here. So that is why I'm not explaining again and again, because like by reading you will understand it. So the eighth one is struggles with tone and style. Now, why this problem is there? No, first we will cover what exactly is the problem. This is the eighth problem. Users fail to specify the tone or style of response, leading to inappropriate outputs. Now, why this problem is? AI needs explicit instructions to match the required tone or format. So this is the reason for this problem. Now we will now the ninth problem is challenges in prompt optimization for creativity. Now what exactly is this problem? Difficulty in writing prompts that push AI to be innovative or think outside the box. So this is the problem. And now why exactly is this problem? Creativity focused tasks often need carefully crafted instructions. So this is the reason for this problem. Now we have the 10th problem over here. Not using parameters effectively. This is the 10th problem. What exactly is this problem? Users ignore model specific parameters such as temperature, max tokens, or specific formats. Now this is too technical, like let us try to understand what it is saying. Now the reason over here is why proper parameter adjustment fine tunes the model's behavior. So now this aspect is too technical. So let us we will see, try to understand it later. So let me cover the next five problems which I listed. So the first one is over reliance on one prompt. Sixth one. Seventh is not leveraging AI features. Eighth is struggles with tone and style. Ninth is challenges in prompt optimization for creativity. 10th is not using parameters effectively. Now the final five problems we will cover from 11th to 15th. 11th one is lack of testing across scenarios. So what exactly is the problem? Let us understand. Prompts that work in one scenario may fail in another, and users often don't test adaptability. So this is the problem. And why is this problem? Context and requirements can vary significantly. So this is the reason for this problem. The 12th problem is ignoring feedback mechanisms. Now, what exactly is this problem? Users don't refine prompts based on AI generated responses. So, and now why this problem is there? Feedback loops are crucial to improving prompt effectiveness. So, this is the reason for this problem. Now, the 13th problem, overuse of jargon or technical terms. So, because there is overuse of jargons and technical terms, now what exactly is this problem? Overcomplicating prompts with unnecessary technical language. So this is the problem. Now why this problem is there? AI may misinterpret jargon or fail to understand domain specific nuances. So this is the reason for the problem. Now the 14th problem, failure to define desired output. So what exactly is this problem? Not specifying the format, structure, or depth of the response leads to results. Varied results. So this is the problem. Now, what is the reason for this problem? AI benefits from clear expectations, like provide a three-step guide. So this is the 14th one, and the problem and the reason. Now we will understand what is the 15th problem over here. Limited knowledge of prompt templates. So what exactly is this problem? Users are unaware of prompt patterns like role-based or step-by-step instructions. So role-based means first we ask the AI to play a particular role and then we tell it to perform the task. And the step by step is where we give step by step prompts to it. So that is the difference between the role based and step by step. Now why is this problem? These templates can significantly improve output quality. So this is the reason. Now we will quickly understand all the 15 problems. Let us revise, and then let me simplify the things for you. So, so we started with lack of clarity and specificity, overloading prompts with too much information, difficulty in structuring prompts, insufficient understanding of AI capabilities. Fourth. Fifth, inability to use context effectively. Sixth, over reliance on one prompt. Seventh, not leveraging AI features. Eighth, struggles with tone and style. Ninth, challenges in prompt optimization for creativity. 10th, not using parameters effectively. 11th, lack of testing across scenarios. 12th, ignoring feedback mechanism. 13th, overuse of jargon or technical terms. 14th, failure to define desired output. 15th, limited knowledge of prompt templates. So these are the 15 problems which all the people, like whoever uses the AI may, like irrespective of whether it is a AI professional or a AI enthusiast, or a working professional. So all of them face these particular 15 problems. Now let me simplify this thing for you. The framework which I use while writing the prompts. So I have named this framework. Let me introduce you to this framework. So, framework, framework. So now let me explain you what exactly is this and how this framework works. So this is a like of course invented by me, and let me explain you how exactly this works, and how exactly you can implement the same for you. And this is a framework for prompt engineering. Prompt engineering. Uh, engineering. Okay. So, like, let me explain you. Just a moment. This was not needed actually, prompt engineering, because already we are learning prompt engineering over here. So, the things are quite simple actually. So, because I am simplifying it for you, so let me start simplifying it for you. So ICF framework. So now what I means, what C means, what F means. Let me properly explain you each and everything. Okay. So we will understand step by step. Okay. So I is your intent. Intent. Um C is your choice of words. Choice of words. And then we have F, which is framing, framing the sentence correctly, framing the sentence correctly. uh, okay, now let me explain you what each of this thing means. So intent is like what is your intent while writing the prompt, what task you want to get completed while writing the prompt. So while writing the prompt, what is the task that you want the AI to do, or ChatGPT, or whichever AI tool you are using. So you have to keep your intent clear. Your intent must be clear. That is the first one. Second is choice of words. Now this is a really important one. Choice of words, like the words which you will use, the more effective words you use, the more effective will be the output. So that is why in the ICF framework, the choice of words is really important. Like for example, in in copywriting or content writing, the like usually what others say to us, that you have to play with the words, you have to use the words correctly. So like those all kind of advice we receive from others, So the same is the case with the choice of words. Now let me give an example for this. I will give an example for you how you can like use the choice of words, and I will explain you with an example. So this is the choice of words. Now, third is the framing the sentence correctly. Now, framing the sentence correctly. So you have to like correctly frame the sentence. Like you have to include each and every step while writing a prompt. And so I will now give you an example using all the three like frameworks and I'm not three frameworks, all the three steps of one framework of one formula. So let me explain to you step by step, and I will write a prompt for you. So just give me one moment. So, and I hope you are getting value, and I hope you are like you are understanding what I'm explaining you. So let us move to our next concept. Let me show you an example. Uh, so prompt engineering is actually quite simple because now let me tell you the reason why it is simple. Because you just have to, because of this particular framework, because of this particular formula. So if you use it efficiently, you become like you become good at writing prompts, and you automatically you master prompt engineering. So that is the case over here, that is the thing over here. So now let me write a prompt actually. Okay, so let me consider a hypothetical example. Like I'm giving a prompt to in video AI, which is an AI which specializes in creating videos using AI. So and using prompts. So let me write a prompt for you. Just give me. So I will be using all the three frameworks in this particular example. So I will write a prompt now. Create a 45 seconds uh, YouTube shorts script, and create a 45 seconds YouTube short script. Uh, make it authentic, impactful, make it authentic, impactful, relevant, entertaining, engaging, authentic, impactful, relevant, entertaining, engaging. There is one more word which I use. I'm unable to remember. Authentic, impactful, relevant, entertaining, engaging, and interesting. Uh, so this prompt I'm giving to in video AI. So let me write somewhere in video AI. In video AI. Okay. So I hope you are able to understand. So this prompt is now incomplete. Let me complete it. So one mistake I did over here, and so let me tell you what mistake I did. I forgot to tell it what the topic will be. The shorts, like create a 45 seconds YouTube short script, and so I forgot to tell it the topic. So let us tell it a topic. So and I will make it more effective. 45 seconds viral. 45 seconds viral YouTube short scripts or YouTube shorts script on let me take a topic on Pushpa the rule. So on Pushpa the rule. So I had to make things interesting over here. So that is why I use this particular example. And like, because I want to explain you the intent, like how to write the prompt effectively. So create a 45 seconds viral YouTube Shorts script on Pushpa the rule. Make it authentic, impactful, relevant, entertaining, engaging, and interesting. Now the prompt is not complete. Let me complete it. Okay. So use the voice over of an Indian Indian woman and so like because I'm like training you, I'm teaching you, so let me complete it. I'm explaining you each and everything step by step. So of an Indian woman and use the voiceover of an Indian woman and include a CTA, call to action, to subscribe to Bazil Hulmani. Hmm. So this sounds fair and this is looking like a good. And so what I have done over here is I have used all the three steps efficiently and effectively and smoothly. So my intent is to create a video using in video AI. So that is my intent. And then my choice of words is correct. I have used the effective words. So the words which I have used, the first word is viral, and then like authentic, impactful, relevant, entertaining, engaging, and interesting. So all these things, this comes under the choice of words. And then the voiceover of a Indian woman, this is also the choice of words. And then CTA is also a choice of words. So like all the important words. So this all everything, the important words used over here, these are the choice of words. And then the framing the sentence correctly. So my sentence is has been framed correctly. So let me show you the prompt and let me like read the prompt for you from the back. So just give me one moment. So create a 45 seconds viral YouTube Shorts script on Pushpa the rule. Make it authentic, impactful, relevant, entertaining, engaging, and interesting. Use the voiceover of an Indian woman. Include a CTA to subscribe to Bazil Hulmani. So now because I had to keep things simple for you, so that is why I kept this prompt really simple for you. And because I don't want to like give too much download to you, so that is why I had to keep the things simple. But what we will be doing is we will be using this framework again and again and again. So this three-step framework we will be using in almost every video. So yeah, almost every video. So ICF framework, remember the name. And so this is how you craft the prompt, and this is how you craft the prompt effectively, uh, efficiently, and smoothly. So effectively, efficiently, and smoothly. So that is how you craft it. And so so that was all for today's video. And I have what we covered is we covered the 15 challenges with people face with like writing prompts, the 15 challenges with which people face. And then we went through the ICF framework. So I taught you what exactly is the ICF framework, and how exactly it is used, and how you can write the prompts effectively using this framework. So like this is one of the frameworks, and I will be teaching you more frameworks as we proceed in the series. So, and I hope you understood all the things which I explained you today. And if you liked this video, do drop a like to this video, and do let me know in the comments what topic you want me to cover next. Like your suggestions and recommendations are important, so please do tell me in the comment section. Please share this video more and more in your social media, so that people get to know about this specific framework, and how effective this framework is, and how you can craft the prompts effectively, efficiently, and smoothly. And don't forget to subscribe to AI with Bazil, and stay tuned, stay updated for more content on AI and prompt engineering. So until then, this is Bazil signing off.